Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple social links to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. If you want your followers to find you on Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform, this step-by-step guide will help you set it all up quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a list of your pages. Select the page where you want to add your social links. Now that you're on your page, look for the About section and click on it. This is where you'll find all the details about your page, including contact and basic info. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact and Basic Info. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice an option that says Add a Social Link. Click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter your social media handle or link. Type in your username or paste the link for the social platform you want to add. Next, choose the website from the list of available platforms, like Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. If you want to add more than one social link, simply click Add a Social Link again and repeat the process. You can keep adding as many as you need, making it super easy for your followers to find you on all your favorite platforms. Once you've added all your links, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This will update your page with all the new social links you've just added. And that's it. Now your Facebook page is fully updated with multiple social links, making it easier than ever for your audience to connect with you everywhere online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media updates. Thanks. See you in the next video.